Begin lying on your back with your legs straight. Slowly bend your low back and tilt your pelvis backward into the floor. Then relax and repeat. Make sure to continue breathing evenly and focus on only moving your pelvis during the exercise. Begin lying on your back with your knees bent and your hands resting on your hip bones. Slowly tilt your pelvis backward, monitoring the movement with your hands. Then return to the starting position and repeat. Make sure to focus the movement only on your pelvis and keep the rest of your back still during the exercise.
Begin lying on your back with your legs bent and feet resting on the ground. Tighten your abdominals to tilt your pelvis backward, then both legs to a 90-degree angle. Slowly lower one leg down to touch your heel to the ground while keeping your knee bent. Then bring it back up to the starting position and repeat with your other leg. Make sure to keep your abdominals tight and pelvis tilted backward throughout the exercise.
Begin in a kneeling position with one hand on the front of your pelvis and the other on your low back. Gently tilt your pelvis backward by tightening your abdominal muscles, monitoring the movement with your hands. Relax, letting your pelvis tilt forward, then repeat. Make sure to keep your upper back straight and maintain your balance during the exercise.